Hey guys, this week I'm going to be covering the 5 main attributes of synthesis, which are the oscillator, the filter, and the amplifier, plus the methods of modulation, which are the envelope and the low frequency oscillator. Um, for this week I'm going to be using DSK Thor, which is a free VST to download at the website dskmusic.com/dsk-thor. You can go ahead and play with this if you like. The demonstration that they give for it actually shows more options than I seem to be able to use, but the layout is pretty simple, so I'm going to be using that for describing this week. To start off, you have your oscillator, which you can play with the waveform, which we're familiar with the different types of waveforms, but you've got them listed here basically. And then you can go and choose the octave at which you want to play it. And then you can fine tune that, and that pretty much covers the oscillator. Then it routes down to the filter. For this, you got the low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass, band reject, peaking. And it also has shown, although I'm not sure it's functional in my setup, the envelope for altering the filter options as well. But yeah, then it would apply your delay, and then you got the amplifier, which covers your panning, your actual amplitude envelope here, and you can go ahead and modulate this stuff further using a low frequency oscillator. And if there's nothing applied, it sounds something like this. Sorry for the screeching, shitty speakers and all. But if you were to apply a low frequency oscillator, let's say to the cutoff, a little bit of a warble there, and then you can apply it to the amount. And you should be able to apply it to things like panning and what have you. Mine, for whatever reason, doesn't allow me that options. Maybe it's because I'm using it with Ableton Live. I haven't tried it with a different workstation, but anyhow, got your different options here. You can change your wave type for the LFO as well. So if you wanted a little bit more of like a switch, you could turn it to square. That's the amount. And you can also shape the, let's go ahead and turn this off real quick. You can shape the wave itself. So let's say I wanted something a little bit more short and sweet. Let's get rid of that release. Add more release. When you let go, it continues on, actually for quite a while. Your sustain, you turn sustain off. So you just get a little burst. Let's see. Delay. Let's do the quirking. So yeah, I mean, it's a very simple VST, and the different attributes are pretty simply laid out. You can change your oscillators, your filters, your modulation of each aspect. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something. Probably not, but if you want to play with that VST, like I said, it's available for free at dskmusic.com, and hopefully you'll have more luck with the various options.